Hey everyone, just showing you a little update. I got it on its frame. Everything just dropped into place once I got it aligned. Everything is good. I'm surprised even myself. I mean, if you can see it, it's a little dark, but they line up ever so slightly. Like even back here, the bolts up in here line up. Where are we? There we are. Sorry, it's dark. But everything lines up and it sits pretty good. I'm quite happy with it. Now I've got a rolling chassis. This is the first time they've been united together. I'm happy. It's just a quick update to let you see what's kind of going on. All right, you can't see nothing in here, but yeah, so that's that. So there you go. Thanks for watching. See you in the next ones. Bye.